Hello everyone, welcome to English with Amen. If you are a beginner and want to speak English confidently, then this lesson is for you. Today, we will learn simple English sentences that you can use in daily life. Don't worry if your English is not good, every expert was once a beginner. Let's start our spoken English course for beginner. Why learn spoken English? English is an international language. It helps us communicate with people from different countries. English can also help us get better jobs, study abroad, travel easily, and grow our confidence. The best way to learn English is to practice speaking every day. Even if you make mistakes, keep speaking. Mistakes are part of learning. Basic greetings. Let's learn some common greetings. For example, hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. How are you? I am fine, thank you. What about you? I am doing well. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Please repeat these sentences after me. Hello. Hi. How are you? I am fine. Thank you. Very good. Introducing yourself. Now let's learn how to introduce ourselves. For example, my name is Tom. I am a student. I am from America. I live in Washington, D.C. I am 20 years old. I like learning English. Let's make a full introduction. Hello, my name is Tom. I am from America. I live in Washington, D.C. I like learning English. Nice to meet you. Now pause the video and introduce yourself in English. Ask someone's name. For example, what is your name? My name is Bob. Where are you from? I am from London. What do you do? I am a teacher. How old are you? I am 25 years old. These are simple questions that people ask when meeting someone for the first time. Here are some useful daily sentences. For example, let's learn some useful daily English sentences. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am tired. I am happy. I am sad. I am busy. I am ready. Let's go. Come here. Sit down. Stand up. Please help me. Thank you. You are welcome. Excuse me. I am sorry. No problem. Please repeat these sentences several times. Practice makes perfect. English at home. Now, how you can use English at your home? Here are some sentences that you can use at home. For example, I am waking up. I am brushing my teeth. I am taking a shower. I am getting dressed. I am having breakfast. I am going to school. I am going to work. I am watching TV. I am reading a book. I am going to sleep. Try to use these sentences every day. English at school, for example, how to use or how can you use your English simple sentences at your school. For example, good morning, teacher. May I come in? Yes, you may. Thank you. May I ask a question? Please open your books. Please close your books. I understand. I don't understand. Can you explain again? These sentences are very useful for students. English at work. For example, good morning. How can I help you? I am working on it. Please wait a moment. I will call you later. I'm in a meeting. Thank you for your help. Have a nice day. These sentences can help you communicate professionally. For example, asking for directions. Excuse me, can you help me? Where is the park? Go straight, turn left, turn right. It is near the market. It is next to the hospital. Thank you. You are welcome. Practice these conversations with a friend. Shopping English sentences. For example, how much is this? It is $5. Can I see this? Do you have another color? I like this one. I will buy it. Can I pay by card? Thank you. Have a nice day. Shopping conversations are easy when you know these basic sentences. Here are some common questions and answers. For example, what is your name? My name is. For example, you can say, you can tell if someone asks you, what is your name? For example, my name is Bob. Where do you live? I live in Washington, D.C. Or in your own country, you can say as your own homeland. What do you do? I am a student. What do you do? I am a student. Do you speak English? Yes, I do. Do you like English? Yes, I do. Or as I like. Can you help me? Yes, of course. These simple questions are useful in everyday conversations. Here is a speaking practice. Now let's do a short conversation. For example, here are two persons, person A and person B. Hello. And the other person will say, hello. Again, person A is asking, how are you? Person B says, I am fine, how are you? Again, person A, I am fine too. Person B, what is your name? Person A, my name is Tom. What is your name? Person B, my name is Bob. Person A, nice to meet you. Person B, nice to meet you too. This is simple conversation. Practice it many times. Here are some tips to improve your spoken English. Tip number 1, speak every day. Even 10 minutes of practice can help you improve. Tip number 2, learn new words daily. Try to learn 5 new words every day. Tip number 3, listen to English. Watch English videos and listen to English podcasts. Tip number 4, read English books. Reading helps you learn vocabulary and sentences structure. Tip number 5, don't fear mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. The more you speak, the better you become. There is a daily practice challenge. Today's challenge is simple. Introduce yourself in English. Say hello, your name, where are you from, where do you live? I am, for example, I am a teacher, a student, anyone. I like learning English. Practice this introduction 3 times today. Congratulations, you have completed lesson 1 for our spoken English course for beginners. Today you learned greetings, introductions, daily sentences, school English, workplace English, shopping English, and speaking practice. Now remember, English is a skill. The more you practice, the better you become. Speak English every day, listen to English every day, read English every day. And most importantly, never give up. Thank you for watching English with Emma. If you